On behalf of the Royal Agricultural Winter Fair, I want to welcome you to the 88th edition of the world's largest indoor agricultural and international equestrian fair. We are honored that your first moment as a Canadian citizen is at an event which is one of Canada's great tradition. We hope that your first visit to the fair as new Canadians will become an annual tradition for you and your families, just like it has for generations of Canadians. Congratulations. It is a privilege and a responsibility. Canada is indeed a wonderful country. Welcome. Thank you.
I'm very pleased to welcome you to this ceremony of Canadian citizenship. I'm particularly pleased to be conducting this ceremony at the 88th Annual Royal Agricultural Winter Fair. The Royal offers really a countless array of events to spectators. I used to look forward to this as a child. I've been here many, many times. I always put it on my calendar. It's always exciting. Thank you. Merci beaucoup.
Thank you very much, Judge Phoenix. Candidates for citizenship, please rise. Family and guests, please rise.
I affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to Her Majesty, Queen Elizabeth II, Queen of Canada, her heirs and successors, and that I will faithfully observe the laws of Canada and fulfill my duties as a Canadian citizen. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. You're now Canadian citizens.